Hello students, after completion of cladistics, I am going to focus on APG system of classification, which is the recent system for the angiosperm classification. But before that, just have a look on the systems of classification which are pre-Darwinian and post-Darwinian. As we know, firstly, the linear system in which binomial nomenclature was firstly described. So this is the very old system of pre-Darwinian classification system, and it is in 1735. Afterwards, number of systems were there. Here in this slide, only a few systems I am going to focus. Next one after the linears, that is Adanson system in 1763, and De Candolle in 1819 also modified the previous system. Afterwards, De Mortier in 1829, and the most famous and commonly used Bentham and Hooker system is given in 1862 to 1883. Balian system from the 1867 to 1894. This is the youngest system from the pre-Darwinian system of classification. Afterwards, number of systems which are considering the phyletic view, and that are the post-Darwinian systems of classification. And also there are number of systems, but here the Engler system up to the 1915, then Bess's system, Hutchinson system, Takhtajan system and Cronquist system in 1981 came into the existence, and they are with some modification. But recently the APG system, which is with the 4 version from the 1998 to the 2016, they are with the number of modifications, and mostly they are molecular based systems. Now we will go in detail for the APG system of classification, which is the recent system of classification. So here this system came into existence by informal international group of systemic botanists, and they came together for consonance view of the taxonomy of flowering plants, which are angiosperms, and this is totally based on molecular characters or molecular evidences. And here the objective of the APG system is to provide widely accepted and more stable point of reference for the angiosperm classification. Here they have considered the morphology of the plant as well as the biochemistry, which is with the chemical compound they have. They are with the few principles, as the pre-Darwinian linear system of orders and families should be retained as it is, and the family is central in the flowering plant systematics. There is also the another principle that the group should be monophyletic, that is nothing but the all descendants of a common ancestor. Afterwards, the families containing only a single genus and orders containing a single family are avoided, which are considered in the previous systems of APG system. Although orders and families are used above this level, named clades, and they are freely employed in the addition. So what it includes? It shows that the origin, and here the monocots are monophyletic groups, but dicots are paraphyletic. Mono means a single common ancestor, but dicots are paraphyletic, means they are with a number of common ancestor, means they are not derived from a single ancestor. And here the number of families with monophyletic orders as per the APG 1998 are the 462, and as per the APG 2003 third system the families were reduced up to the 457, and they are again classified into the three parts: eudicots, which comprises 75% plant, then monocots with 23%, and magnolid with only 2%, and remaining 5 clades contain a little over 250 species in total. That is less than 0.1% of flowering plant divided into the 9 families. So here a proper classification which is based on molecular characters has been given into the or has been taken into the consideration. So here the overall idea of the APG circumscriptions: few families with the species is given over here, but they are classified into the eudicot and monocot families, eudicot as well as the monocot families. So we'll go first for the APG system first, which is given in 1998, and this system is with the 462 families with 40 orders. And here the main groups in the system are angiosperms, and they are divided into the monocots and eudicots. They are commelinoids from the monocots and core eudicots from the eudicots. Afterwards, these eudicots are again classified into the rosids and asterids. They are further divided into the two parts, that is eurozoids first and second, whereas asterids, euasterids first and euasterids second. Afterwards, the second APG system was come into the existence in 2003. As compared to the APG first system, here new orders are proposed, particularly for the accommodation of basal clade left as families in the first system. That's why there is entry of new orders. Along with this, previously unplaced families located within the system. So few drawbacks which are from the APG first system are removed in the APG second system of 2003, and several families are also restructured. Here 45 orders which are 5 more than the APG system first are added, like astrobaliales, canals, gunariales, celastrales and crossmotales. So overall 45 orders and 457 families, which are again 5 fewer than the APG first system. So APG second system in 2003, this is with 462 families and 40 orders. Here the angiosperms are classified into the magnolids, monocots and the eudicots. Afterwards, these eudicots and again classified into the commelinids and core eudicots. This system, that is rosids and asterids, remain as it is, but few families are added and few orders are also added and some are replaced. The third system of APG is in 2009, which is a version of a modern, mostly molecular based system of the plant taxonomy. And here the total 59 orders, of which 45 orders from the APG second system and the new 14 orders are added into this system. They like Amboreals, Nymphaeals, Chloranthales, Petrisaviales, Trichodendales, Buxales, Vattales, Zygophyllales and many more. So addition of 14 new orders and deletion of a few families, and that are 415 families, which are 42 fewer than the previous system. Here the 20 new families were accepted and few families were moved to different position. The number of families not placed in any order was reduced from 9 to the 10. So here this system again with a rearrangement of families as well as the orders. And here the again main groups from this system are 3: magnolids, eudicots, monocots as per the APG second system, but addition of few families and orders. Afterwards, the most recent system is APG 4, which is from the 2016. This system is with 5 new orders as compared to the APG third system, which are Boraginales, Delaeniales, Isacinales, Metinucales and Villales. Here, along with this addition of a new 5 orders, some new families, making total of 416 families with 64 orders are constructed. So this is a well supported need which has been demonstrated in the recent 2016 APG 4 system. So here the brief difference between the 4 systems which are given. So you can observe from the APG first system the families are 462 and with orders 40, but in APG system the orders were reduced up to the 457, whereas the families and orders are increased from 40 to 45. Afterwards, more reduction in number of families is in APG third system up to the 415, and similar addition of orders from 45 to 58. And in the recent APG 4 system, one family is added and number of orders near about 4 to 6 are added in the APG 4 system. So you can observe that the families are reduced as per the newer version of the APG systems, whereas orders are increased. So this is the brief idea about the different APG system right from 1998 to the recent 2016 APG 4 system. Thank you.